Hi guys. I want to give you a little bit of the rundown of what's happening this first week. I don't know that I'll always do a video with this, but for the first one, for sure, I want to just make sure we all know what to do, but please don't hesitate to message me through Remind or Schoology or email if you have any questions or anything. So your daily agenda is at the top of Schoology. And remember, our synchronous times are if you're fourth hour, 9:30 or 1:30, if you're fifth hour, 10 or 2, and if you're sixth hour, 10:30 or 2:30. It was so great to see most of you. I saw so many of you. It was really nice to meet you. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again on Thursday and then again on Monday. So the Google Meet class link is in here along with on the Schoology page. So here's what our agenda looks like. And every class should look very similar. It won't be identical, but similar. And I want to explain how I laid it out on mine for you. So Wednesday is this first day of this week. So remember, we're doing like a Wednesday to kind of Wednesday. The next Wednesday is when like the week starts over. So all assignments and things for this week are due Wednesday next week, the 23rd at 7 a.m. So make sure you're staying on top of your stuff, getting help if you need it, and coming to those times to talk to me. So Wednesdays, you log in for your Google Meet with your connections at 8 a.m. And then you can look at all your class things to do. So if I were you, I would suggest looking at your group A classes first, because those are going to be the ones you're going to meet on Thursday. And then when you're good with those, then you can look at your group B classes, because those aren't going to meet till Friday. So what I would like you to do is I have assignments that I would like you to do before we meet on Thursday. So that's why I wrote them here on this Wednesday kind of assignment side. So like think of it as like this is like the homework, the assignment side, before you go to the next day where you're going to have kind of the lesson, what we do together. So before coming to class on Thursday, you're going to watch this video right here. Then you're going to read the syllabus and sign up for the class Remind. So you notice below each kind of direction that I have, or each kind of to-do list item, I have where it's located. So it says week 1 syllabus. So if I go to Schoology, right, here's the agenda, here's the Google Meet link, here's week 1. So I open up week 1, and it'll say the dates. It'll always also say on mine anyway, what kind of topic, what's in that folder for that week. So it said week 1 syllabus. So I look in the syllabus folder, where it says the syllabus right here. So it says first to read that and sign up for the Remind, which is in there. The next thing it says to do is to complete the syllabus quiz. It says to retake the quiz as needed to earn 100%. Learn from your mistakes. You will make mistakes. I'm not talking your syllabus quiz in general, but just everything in here, life, you will make mistakes. Learn from them, keep going. Practice makes better. So you're gonna take the quiz, retake it as needed. Okay, it's all on the syllabus. Are you allowed to look at it? Of course you are. If I didn't want you to, I wouldn't have it right there for you. All right, so last thing you're gonna do is complete the All About Me assignment. And that's just in week 1. Notice it's not in the syllabus part. So I'm gonna go back to week 1. I clicked on the top there. That's this assignment right here. When you open it up, it will create that, it's actually a Google slide for you with your name on it. And you fill it in. It's kind of cool when you fill it in. Let's see if it'll work for me. Maybe. That awesome moment where you wait for it to work. All right. I think it's going to look different for you when you open it up, but you can zoom in a little bit if you need to. But everywhere where it says type here, you're going to click on that. And you're going to be able to delete that text, and you're going to type in there. Okay. And I would like you to do a picture of yourself right here. You can do a picture from your camera on your computer. You can take a selfie on your phone and email it to yourself and put it in that way, however you want to do it. All right, so those are the assignments for Thursday. So then in class on Thursday, we're going to talk about the syllabus. I'll answer any questions. I might add a few more things. And then I've got another demo for you. So I hope you come. All right, so then I have on like the Thursday kind of assignment homework side, and it says to do these things before class on Monday. So here's some safety and lab equipment prep. So if I go back to here, I'm going to go back to my week 1, and it says that these are in the safety and lab folder. All right, so first thing it says to do is watch the safety video and read the safety contract rules. So video, rules. All right, then it says to complete the safety quiz. This quiz, you need to get 80%. So you can retake it again to get it up to 80% if you need to. If you got 80% or higher the first time, you are good to go. It is it's a pass fail thing. So you don't have to worry about like, oh, but I got 80, but I want, 100%. You don't have to retake it to get 100%. All right. Look at the lab equipment document and then complete the lab equipment quiz. So here's the lab equipment document. It's going to show pictures and names of a whole bunch of pieces of equipment we use in chemistry lab. You're going to be familiar with some, and some are going to be brand new to you. Then you're going to complete this quiz. So the quiz is you've probably done one before. It's like with a little game quiz. It's kind of like Kahoot a little bit, except you're more individual. And it has like the memes after each question. So when you're done, you'll be able to see if you got them right or wrong. And it says to retake that till you get 100% also. All right. Make sure you put your name in there, first name and last name, when it asks you. Otherwise, I won't be able to record that it was you. All right. So that is what you need to do before we see each other on Monday, where I'm going to show you some of that lab equipment in person, on video, like what it actually looks like in our lab. And I'm going to show you some of the safety equipment we have, and I have one more demo for you. And then one last little thing, and you can do this sooner if you'd like. You can always work ahead, okay? Just don't get behind. Is if you're a hybrid student, so if you're going to be coming into the building, you will have the opportunity, the ability to do labs in person. And that is going to require you to kind of get your safety contract signed. And the way we're going to do it signed is there's going to be a Google form. So that is this Google form right here. This is the student version. So if you are a hybrid student, you need to complete this. Make sure you've read the rules first, because it's saying I've read the rules and I will follow them. There was also a parent or guardian one. I will email that to them if they don't get email or they don't check it very often. It's your job to remind them to check it and find it and fill that out. If there are issues with that or whatever, let me know and I can email it to you to show them to get that figured out. So let me know if there's issues with that, but it's your job to make sure that they do it. You are responsible for that. All right, so that's the end of the week. So if you have questions on this week, let me know. Sorry, this was such a long intro kind of explanation. I just want to make sure you're ready to go for this first week. I hope it's been going well. I'm looking forward to see you all on Thursday. Bye.